Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and today's video. We're actually testing a new setup today, so we're gonna do a nice simple video, but a really good one. I'm gonna show you how to make a pot of tea. It's honestly one of those classic British essentials, and quite honestly, we have a pot of tea multiple times a week, if not multiple times a day. So if you've ever wondered how to make the perfect pot of tea, I'm going to show you how I would make it, but you can tell me in the comments after you've watched it how you would make it. Would you put the milk in first or the milk in after? Very controversial here in the UK. So here's what you need. You need a tray if you're going to transport everything to a table. You're going to need, of course, a teapot. This one I got from Le Creuset. It's absolutely gorgeous. You absolutely need a milk jug, a sugar pot with sugar, the right amount of cups and saucers for the amount of people drinking tea, and the same amount of teaspoons. The first thing you're going to do is pop the tea bags into the teacup. Now, personally, and we have tried this and I have tested this on my family and friends, we believe that 3 tea bags is the perfect amount of tea bags for 1 pot of tea. So we're just going to pop those in there. Next, we're going to fill the teapot up with hot water, and you can do that out of your kettle or you can do that out of your hot tap. And I like to just give that a little swirl just to get the tea bags going. Okay. So that's that. Now, the most important thing to do now is let that brew. You're going to want to let that sit for at least 3 minutes, I'm going to say minimum, before it's ready to serve. If you poured that out right now, it would be super weak and it wouldn't taste good at all. So while that's happening, we're going to fill up our milk jug and just check we've got enough sugar. Make sure you fill your jug up. You can always pour it back into your milk carton and it can go back into the fridge. That will get loads of comments because people go, ugh. I've checked my sugar. We've got enough sugar. And then I'm ready to take this to the table. So when it's a teapot, milk goes in first. I think it's good that the tea warms up the milk, but you can tell me what you think. So I like to pour a bit of milk in. Now, with your guests, you would serve this and you would allow them to make their own tea. You wouldn't serve the tea for them. You've set everything out and then they will add the amount of milk they want, the amount of sugar they want, and make themselves the perfect cup of tea. And this is another reason why making a pot of tea is so perfect, because everyone gets the tea just how they like it. So we've popped our milk in. Next, we're going to pour in our tea. Now that is perfection. I don't like sugar, but I would have maybe put some sugar in at this point. I will just have the tea just as it is. That, my friends, is the perfect cup of tea. And so you want to serve your tea with some lovely biscuits. And look, we won't talk about it today because it's a subject all on its own, but we'll talk about biscuits that are great to dunk in tea another time. Right, are you guys ready for a cup of tea now?
Gasping. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Great.